You need the right gadgets if you want to do tough DIY jobs or ride your bike through busy streets. Think about a helmet that lights the way, AR glasses that make games come to life, or a water bottle that keeps drinks hot or cold just right. These gadgets are made to make your everyday adventures better. They have new designs, smart features, and unbeatable durability. Do you want to add these gadgets to your collection? Then stay with us till the end of the video to find a perfect fit for you. Before you decide, go through all the product links in the video description. Here we begin. On number 1, we have an adult bike helmet with a USB rechargeable LED front. This bike helmet is made to be safe and comfortable, so it's great for riding bikes, skateboarding, or working in the city. Its one-piece design uses strong materials to absorb shocks and protect you better. It has front and back lights that can be charged via USB to make you visible on the road. The front lights help you see, and the rear lights make you stand out. One button press is all it takes to change between the 4 lighting styles. The helmet is light and has 10 air vents that let cool air in and push heat out. This keeps you cool and comfy on long rides. It has a system that lets you change the fit to most head sizes, and the tinted lens can be taken off and put on another lens. This lens protects your eyes from UV rays, dust, and sand, even if you wear glasses. The flexible inner lining can be taken off and washed, making upkeep easy. Number 2, VEVOR Landscape Edging. It is an easy-to-use landscape edging that will make your yard look great. It's 150 feet long and can be used for both big and small jobs. With a 10-inch height and a 0.1-inch width that can hold up to 20 pounds of pressure, it makes a nice grass line on top while keeping roots in check below. Your garden will stay clean and grow better than ever. This edge is made of tough HDPE material, so it will last through bad weather without rusting or fading like metal ones do. It will last for a long time and is ready for anything your plant throws at it. You can cut it to size with garden tools if you need a shorter length. Along with being bendable, it's easy to shape to fit any curves or corners. Setting it up is simple. Just dig a hole, put the edge in it, and fill it back up. There is no need for professionals. Keep the stones, grass, soil, and mulch in their proper places for a clean and put-together look. Number 3, Rokid AR Joy Pack AR Glasses. The world's first streaming and gaming AR glasses let you see the future. With these glasses, you can carry around a huge 160-inch OLED screen, making it easy to watch movies and play games. These glasses are TUV Rainland Eye Comfort certified and made to be comfortable. The diopters can be adjusted from 0.00D to -6.00D, so you won't need prescription lenses. It's easy to set up, just plug it in and play. It's easy to connect via USB-C and HDMI adapter or wirelessly. These AR glasses bring a world of fun right to your eyes. Whether you like movies or video games, it's like having your own big screen with you everywhere. Number 4, Insulated Water Bottle with Straw. The tactical insulated water bottle is the best thing to take with you on a journey. It's made of strong double-layered stainless steel and keeps drinks hot for 24 hours or cold for 48 hours, so you can stay cool anywhere. Its food-grade rubber seals on every lid make it leak-proof all the way around, so your bag stays dry even if you throw the bottle inside. Plus, it's very flexible. You get 3 lids that can be switched out to suit your drinking style. 2 straws, a cleaner for the straws, and a handy bag for your phone or keys. With this water bottle kit, you can easily bring water with you when you hike, commute, or are just on the go. Number 5, Laser Measuring Tool. It's a small, sleek tool made of rubber paint that's very comfortable to hold and use. It's even cooler when you connect it to the Mi Home app via Bluetooth. This app lets you save measurements, make floor plans, change units, and even send pictures to other apps. The OLED screen uses little power, works well indoors, and gives correct numbers in 0.2 seconds, accurately measuring up to 98 feet. It's easy to charge with a Type-C port, which is useful for measuring rooms, windows, or chairs. This is great for builders, real estate agents, and anyone else who likes smart gadgets. Now that we're halfway through the video, did you find any amazing gadgets for yourself? Well, that would be too early to decide because the best is yet to come. Number 6, Compact Travel Tripod for Camera. This portable tripod is great for shooters needing to take their gear. It's light, only 1.1 kilograms, and folds up to 40.5 centimeters. It's easy to take, and it even comes with a bag. The unique shape of the center column makes it easy to hold with one hand, which makes it even more portable. A quick-release panoramic head on the tripod lets you easily change directions up to 360 degrees. With a level and built-in scales, it's easy to get perfect horizontal and vertical shots. The sturdy quick-release plate method makes switching devices easy, and it comes with 2 plates for extra convenience. The tripod is a strong metal alloy that can hold up to 6 kilograms. It can be used for work or fun in the great outdoors. The middle column can be turned around to get creative shooting angles, and 2 quarter-inch mounts let you add lights or phones to make the setup your own. Isn't it amazing? Number 7. Plyometric Platform Box. This box is made to last with heavy steel and a powder coating that won't rust. It's great for hard workouts. It can hold up to 350 pounds and is very stable because the frame is strong and soldered together. Covering the top platform with ribbed rubber keeps it from slipping, so you can fall safely and without fear of hurting yourself. The trapezoid shape makes it very stable while taking up very little room. Just use the tools that come with the box to fix a few screws. The box comes in pieces. The soft feet also keep it from moving around and keep your floor from getting scratched. Number 8. StripMeister Wire Stripper Machine. Wire stripping can be hard, but the StripMeister E350X makes it quick and easy. The frame of this machine is strong and will last for a long time. It can handle wires from 18 to 500 MCM and widths from 0.08 inches to 1.043 inches. It works great with single braided wires too. The best part of this gadget is, a tough airplane-grade metal is used to make the E350X, and the blade was carefully designed and manufactured. The feeder is made of heat-treated tooled steel and has ultra-grip technology that makes pulling wires easy and smooth. Have a lot of wires to remove? That's fine. Long hours of work are no problem for its quarter HP fan-cooled motor, whether you're at home, in a workshop, or on the job site. Also, the variable speed control and customizable blade depth make sure that the stripping is accurate and quick, no matter what size the wire is. Number 9. Makita Grease Gun. This tool is very powerful, with a motor that can pull out up to 10,000 psi of pressure. It has 2 speed settings: low, which gives you fine control, and auto speed, which changes the speed of the grease flow based on the part you're working on. That's pretty smart, huh? You can decide how much grease you use with a variable speed trigger, which makes it very easy to get the job done right. Also, there's a lock-on button to make things more comfortable for longer jobs. This tool makes greasing quick, easy, and effective, no matter if you're a pro or just changing things around the house. Number 10. Milwaukee 277120 M18 Transfer Pump. The Milwaukee 277120 M18 Transfer Pump is like a superhero for moving water around in your home. Want to move water from one place to another? The Milwaukee M18 battery powers this electric pump, so you won't be tied down by cords or plugs. It's small, light, and easy to carry, so it's great for places with limited room or when you're on the go. A lot of water per hour, so the pump is quick, and it is the most unique quality this product has. Plus, it has a smart monitor that turns it off by itself when the water is gone. This saves the battery and keeps it from getting damaged. If your basement is flooded, your sink is clogged, or you're working on your gardening, this pump will make your life easier. Plus, it's made to last because the materials are strong and can handle rough use. A huge step forward for homes, do-it-yourselfers, and professionals alike. Farming Hammer. This hammer is made to help you do your job better and faster. Because its head is 25% lighter, you can handle those sniper-like swings better. The balance of the tool's ballistics means that every hit has the most power possible. Are you sick of the pain? The shock-absorbing MOA grip makes precision better while also making your hands less tired. Need space? With the sticky nail starter, you can drive your nails in more quickly and without fumbling. First and foremost, safety. It works with SRS retention lanyards to keep it in place. You can do more with this hammer than just hit nails. The Rip Claw is very useful because it can be used to tear down buildings, remove nails, and even split wood. Also, the polished face that has been heated helps you drive nails at just the right angle. Last but not least, we have the DeWalt 20-volt Max Cordless Impact Wrench. Use this strong tool to get more done. It can tighten things up to 1,030 feet-pounds and break them apart to 1,400 feet-pounds, so it can handle a lot of different tough jobs. You are in charge of 4 speed levels and a speed trigger that you can change to fit any job. Worried about making things too tight? You don't have to worry about fasteners running off because of the precision wrench feature. It keeps your work running more smoothly. The battery guard system also keeps things going longer by protecting your battery and reducing wear and tear. Need to do work in a dim room? The built-in LED light makes your work area brighter so you can see well. So which product did you like the most? Share it with us in the comment section below, and do not forget to go through the product links available in the video description. If you enjoyed watching the video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you soon in another video.